Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm just doing a short video and it is a little pack opening where I have 5 packs. And yeah, so I'm just going to get rocking and rolling and doing the 5 packs on Ultimate Team. But first, I'll show you my Ultimate Team. So at the end, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're already subbed, share it to other people so we can get more subscribers. So the team is looking very good now, actually, because we've got we've got 93 Pope, 86 Alonso, 87 Laporte, then 87 Maguire with 92 Tete, then 88 Wijnaldum, 94 David Silva, 94 Cazorla, 88 Mane, 87 Son, 91 Dan James, then 95 Muller, 94 Van der Beek, 93 Osimhen, 93 Valverde, 93 Visca, 92 Gabriel, 91 Mertens and 90 Brandt, who's on the reserves. So I packed Muller and Brandt earlier today out of packs, which gave me the idea to do a pack opening. So I've got these 5 packs now. A Prime Gold Players pack, a small prime, another small prime, an 82 to 88 rated, and any Team of the Week to Team of the Week moments. So first of all, we'll start with the 82 to 88 rated player pack. And the last time I did one of these, I got 88 Cavani, and I put the Cavani into that Team of the Week one, so I hope I get someone good in that. But first, we're going to open the 82 to the 88 rated rare player pack. So here we go. Here goes. Not really expecting anything good in this pack, because I never do get anything good in the 82 to 88. It's good? No, it isn't. It's probably like Stinky Mario Fernandez. Winnie. Right, so now any Team of the Week moments player. I'll press one button. So hope I get Team of the Week moments, or anyone higher than 83, and I'm happy. Come on. Oh, it's not even a walkout. Oh, striker. Oh, 75 rated. Ugh. Yeah, with 93 pace. So that's not good. What? How much is he? I bet you like 10k or something. Oh, there's only 2 on the market, but it's untradeable. Never mind. So, small prime gold players pack, but the Santry one first. So I hope I get someone good in it. Last time I did one of these, I got Muller. So here goes nothing. Oh, it's stinky, it's stinky, it's stinky. 77 Hernandez. Wait, we could get like an 80 rated, because they always put them first. 83 Casillas, and then Weghorst, Igalo, Ruledibidibidus, Mangala. So it's not too bad, I suppose. So another small prime gold players pack. Here we go. Come on. Something good, please. Yes. Yay, finally. Something. German. Centre mid. Man City. Gundogan. It's alright, it's just the pace is terrible. Could be a lot better, but okay. Decore, Zuma, Muller, Gomez, and Sunjic. And finally, the Prime Gold Players Pack. Wakada! Here we go. Come on, EA. Please, EA. Please, EA. Pray for someone good here. Oh, it's a board. Oh, don't be Casillas. We got Casillas again. 2 packs. 2 Casillas. Okay, we got Romero. So that was a pretty stinky pack opening there. Sorry about that, guys. I couldn't do anything in it really. So 95 players, which means I can just do an SBC. Oh, that would be amazing. I wish I could do that. Oh, 6. No way. We're just going through these because 90 plus upgrade, what you got to do here. Probably something mental. 83, 60 rating. Oh, okay. Well, we can use Romero because we can just build that prem. Zuma. Maybe not build prem, but yeah. Centre mid. Gundogan. Striker. Someone. Beckhorst. We'll use Igalo for now. Left wing, no one apart from Mane, who's in my starting team, so no. We got any CDMs in the Prem? We got Decoro. Wait, if I use the other CDM, actually. Cams from the Prem? Probably none, but okay. Use Giza. Right wing, no one. Left wing, no one. Any left mids? Be good. Use Raman. Left back, we're not using Marcos Alonso. Right back, we're not using Tete. We got a different Tete. Oh, we can use Jardel. I need a lot of chem. Right mid. We may have to use Visca and just play Grant on the bench because yeah. Right. Left back. We need someone. Premier League left back. Or French left back. Can I get a French left back for 530 coins? I hope. So we're looking at bronze. Left back. Oh, why did I do that? 500. Yes, get in. Oh, we want French, please. 400, 300. We'll go with this guy because he's just highest rated, even though it probably won't matter. Because, yeah. What if we went like that? Are there any that silvers? Oh god, there's a silver. I probably should have done that now. It's only 2 rating difference. So we may be sacrificing Visca, but we do get a pick thingy if we want on the 90 plus upgrade. Oh my god. $61.81. So we need rating somehow, even though you won't get it. Wait, haha, you out. We just need a striker here. 64.83, that does it. Mertens does it. I'll just use him, why not? Why not? It's for like a 90 plus upgrade. That's fine. Here we go. So a 90 plus upgrade, a player pick. Wait, okay, redeem. Come on. Oh. We'll take Jinta. Jinta it is. So it's pretty stinky, but okay, we'll take it. It is 90 plus, so we get Jinta. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Right, let's have a look at my lineup now. another. So that's you out. And you out. You in. And where is he? There. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed filming it. It was alright. We got Ginter 92 from the 90 plus player pick. We got CS twice, which was unfortunate. But yeah, so I'll see you guys all next time for another video. So stay safe, stay home, and yeah, goodbye.